Microsoft Surface Pro 11 Review. AI-powered 2-in-1 that'll replace your laptop and your tablet? Ever felt like your current laptop or tablet is straight up holding you back? Stuck waiting for apps to load while deadlines loom? Feeling frustrated every time your device freezes mid-project or kills your vibe with constant low battery warnings? You're not alone. Millions are bogged down by slow, outdated machines that suck your energy and waste your time. Between sluggish processors, laggy graphics, and annoying overheating, it's no wonder your creativity and productivity have hit a wall. Why should you settle for devices that kill focus instead of fueling your flow? Isn't it time your tech worked as fast as you do? Now, picture this: a presentation glitching during a pitch, or your battery dying mid-video call. Stressful, right? Imagine losing a brilliant idea because your tablet just crashed or your laptop refused to keep up while multitasking. Missed opportunities, wasted hours, constant device juggling. Welcome to the tech struggle that drains your energy daily. And let's be honest, trying to force productivity through unreliable tools feels like using a floppy disk in 2025. If you're tired of feeling blocked, burned out, and left behind by underpowered gear, buckle up, because the struggle gets worse without a serious upgrade. Enter the game changer: the Microsoft Surface Pro 11 Copilot Plus PC tablet. This isn't just a tablet, and it's definitely not just a laptop. Powered by Intel Core Ultra 7 processors and AI-driven Copilot Plus features, it's an unstoppable hybrid built to kill lag and supercharge your productivity. With 32GB RAM, a stunning 13-inch 120Hz OLED display, and all-day battery life, you're armed for everything from creative tasks to business meetings. It's ultra-light, ultra-adaptable, and designed to think faster with you, thanks to advanced AI features that redefine multitasking. Say goodbye to your old limits and hello to smooth, powerful freedom. Why choose between a tablet and a laptop when the Surface Pro 11 flexes as both? From razor-sharp note-taking with the slim pen to seamless 4K monitor support via Thunderbolt 4, every detail of this device screams versatility. Whether you're editing videos, smashing deadlines, or Netflix binging in HDR, that vibrant OLED display keeps your eyes happy even in bright sunlight. Oh, and did we mention it's featherlight and lasts up to 14 hours? Toss your charger anxiety. Ready to experience secure, AI-powered speed in a sleek design? Trust us, you'll never look back once you get your hands on this beast. Don't let slow tech sabotage your goals. Thousands have already upgraded to the Surface Pro 11, why not you? Stock is limited, and with demand soaring, now's your chance to grab this powerhouse before it's gone. Stop battling burnout and start owning every task like a pro. Buy now, secure your Surface Pro 11 today, and join the wave of creators, entrepreneurs, and power users who've already leveled up. It's your move. Don't wait until your old device lets you down one more time. Seize this opportunity and work smarter, not harder, with Surface Pro 11.